to the R, I double CLE, no need ID for me, just my bar go harder than your old LP. That's that way, jacking my sleeves, bitch, please. You a piss squeak? I'm a giant, like Eli, I defy shit. I'm a fly shit, autopilot, I roll up, no driving. That's swag, bitch, take notes. So incredible, like hope. Got that monster green, that smoking thing, about to go rust on my jump, man. Bump clock, that's super hot. I'm getting super high with these super drugs. See a super chick and she's super thick, man. I'm so hot, I'm seeing things.
Yo, Grizzle, what up?
Bitch,
Yeah, I got spitting fire flames. My backpack a tank of propane. Rap like I be deep in the game. Want your booty, not your name. Fuck your car and your shoes. Fuck your house and your yard. Vampire lifestyle, baby. Drain the blood right out of your heart. I go hard like a pair of cold nipples. I'm raw like cigarillos. One big room with all of my niggas. Couple bottles, couple bad bitches. And we can't stand snitches, so don't come around here snitching. I got a big blunt, we smoke big buzz, then we creep in like demons.
Y'all full of shit, 2 girls, 1 cup. Wanna talk knuckle up, hit you with an uppercut. Make you look up to me like I was your idol. Vital to this damn game, I'm a psycho Michael. Not Jackson, nor Jordan, nor Vic. Michael Myers in this bitch. Got Halloween treats for all you tricks. No bullshit, boy, man, I'm killing this beat. 187 to the 1st degree. Roll a sweet 16 to seduce your team. Nah, that's cheap, that's too mainstream. Not a fool for the cream, but Wu-Tang said it. Rules everything, so I have to get it. That's why I spit it. So damn sick of shit, still getting ready. Well, I just finished, I'm gone.
66691 is the code, bitch. If you ain't with it, then you bogus. Better know this with the cold list. Pass me the crown and the
Okay,
throne, bitch.
pass me the crown and the throne, bitch. I stay focused, hot in a kite, bitch. Alright, I'll fuck you till you lose your sight. Lost your mind, shit, borrow mine. It's dangerous by design. Yellow tape and caution signs. Creeping through the window, peek through the blinds. Lyrically, I'm dropping mines just to blow your minds instead of trying to hypnotize like the rest of the rap game.